A dry coop will lead to healthy and happy hens. You want to make sure there's not a heavy amount of moisture within your coop. Moisture in your coop can lead to conditions that are favorable for parasites and other bacteria to grow and actually be very harmful to your hens. So you want to make sure that you're scratching up the floor regularly, switching out the bedding, adding shavings, adding straw, just making sure it's dry and comfortable. Your chickens should naturally scratch up the bedding for you. If they're not, just make sure that you're going through and sifting through the bedding and turning it over so it naturally decomposes on its own, if you are choosing to use the deep litter method. You want to make sure to provide good air ventilation in your coop. You don't necessarily want to draft, especially around where your hens roost. You just want enough airflow that it's keeping things dry and the moisture out of your coop. Thank you for watching. If you have any more chicken-related questions, please reach out to one of our store associates at North 40 Outfitters or visit us at north40.com.